Jeff is cooking his monkfish in Parma ham. That means that ham has to be crispy on the outside and the fish inside just a little bit bouncy.
Beautiful monkfish on a celeriac risotto. Celeriac that's going to look like rice. How do you do that?
5 minutes, Jeff, on your first course, please.
OK.
Go for it.
Jeff's doing burrata with a smoked and pickled beetroot tartare, served with rye, honey and sea salt crackers, walnuts and a basil oil.
Quite intrigued about the smoked and pickled beetroot. Sounds interesting.
I think he could work, but he needs to be delicate with the flavourings. Otherwise, it could just be a complete washout.
Looking lovely, Jeff.
Oh, good.
Careful, careful with that. Careful,
So
careful.
sorry.
Use your thumb on the end.
Jeff, it looks delightful.
Oh, good.
We'll be running out of time.
Yep.
Come on!
OK, here we go. Cracker, cracker, cracker.
Go, go, go,
you.
go, go, go.
Go.
Go on, son.
Hello.
Hey,
OK. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, wow.
Today, I have prepared for you a beetroot tartare with burrata, basil oil, walnuts, a rye cracker, and a little bit of balsamic vinegar.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Smells really good. First impressions, it's making me hungry, and that's a good sign. The cracker's really good. Really good. The combination of the smokiness and the pickled beetroot, I was worried it was going to be overpowering, but actually it's not. It cuts through the nice, rich burrata. That's amazing.
This is really good cooking. That little bit of pickle and the faintest hint of smoke just rounds it.
And did you guys see Jeff's apron was clean? It was a white apron, and he's working with beetroot. That's a sign of a great chef in the making.
That's impressive.
Oh, yeah, I'm a big fan of that.
Jeff has absolutely nailed it. He's nailed it in texture and in flavour. This is about taking the finest ingredients and putting a cook's hands on it, and that's what he's done.
Right, Jeff.
Yes.
OK, 15 minutes for that monkfish,
Yes,
yeah?
yes, yes, yes.
You gonna be OK?
We hope so.
Jeff, don't hope so, no so.
We definitely are. We definitely are.
Monkfish is a little bit hard to cook. He's going to have to cook that bang on. I think he's actually got quite a lot of work to do.
The celeriac risotto, if he's actually using the celeriac instead of the rice, if it's overcooked, it goes mushy, it's not going to be good.
Right, interesting.
Oh, it's cooked.
Oh, that looks good. Off you go. Let's go.
Hello again.
Hello.
Thank you.
For your main course, I've served you with monkfish wrapped in ham, served with a celeriac risotto with saffron, and then there's a charred lemon salsa to go with it. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
you.
Thank
Forward to
you.
it. Thanks.
This is delicious. So this kind of pesto of burnt lemon, it actually is the thing that's holding the dish together. His seasoning is really nice, but the fish is undercooked.
Mine wasn't quite as undercooked as yours. If that had been perfectly cooked, we would have been quite happy with that.
I quite like the flavour of the celeriac risotto, and I love the punchy pesto.
That celeriac risotto is really creamy. It's almost like a nutty flavour. And the fish is delightful.
Jeff can cook. Very good.
It was mixed. Some of it felt really comfortable and easy and familiar, and other bits of it just felt wildly out of control.